Hey, what's up, y'all? I'm back with another riding video. We gotta make this one quick because my camera's a little low on battery. So we're gonna jump straight into this one. The creek should still have some water in it, hopefully. There's no way it dried too fast. So I'm gonna ride down there. Let's see what it's looking like. Probably should have left my phone at the house just in case the creek got any higher, but it'll be alright. I hope my airbox is still good. It should be though. Hopefully there'll be enough water to test it. If there's not, I'm gonna be a little bit disappointed if I'm gonna be honest. Oh, it did get a little bit higher than it was when I left yesterday. That's good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna leave the phone over there. Over. Alright, hold up. I do want to make sure that everything's on tight enough, like my dipstick. Alright, now quit rolling. Ooh. I really want to be careful for snakes because, as some of y'all know, I don't really like snakes. Alright, there's something there to it. Hopefully this dry box still works. Alright, let's see how the 32's doing water. Alright, moment of truth here. Hold up, I'm gonna see if this makes my four-wheeler shut off. Alright, yeah, it's definitely about to be fine. Alright, we gotta be careful because I'd hate to roll it again. The Aztecs definitely throw more water. Oh, it's not even exhaust deep over here. I was getting worried. Let's go back through it. Alright, y'all ready? Yeah, it ain't even deep. These don't pull water wheelies like the 28s did. That's one thing I've noticed. You can pull a water wheelie so easy on the 28s and water like that over there. Or like just really shallow, they would just water really easy. Is that a snake? I think that is. to get a better look at it first. I don't know, that might just be a stick. Yeah, that's got to be a stick. I feel like a snake would have been out of there. Yeah, it's just a big stick. Alright, this is actually probably deep. Alright, I think we're all snorkeled. Rack's deep, question mark? No, not deep enough. This is like stock, below the stock snorkel. That's where that clay wall is right there. Alright, they definitely still pulls water really fine. Because I didn't even get on the throttle good, and it was pulling one. Not like it used to though. I miss playing around and stuff like this, for real. I'll probably go to the bridge, maybe tomorrow if I'm home, I don't know. I will go today, but I doubt I'll get it able to, because like I said, the camera's on low battery. I'm gonna back in over here one time. These tires I'm running like 0 PSI, like it's less than 1. Just cause I don't like risking it. I've been told they shouldn't float unless I step off. Where's the deepest spot? Like right here. Yeah, it ain't real floated. Alright, we ain't climbing that wall. Thought it was worth a try. I ain't even gonna lie, yeah, I miss this jump so much. Alright, we're gonna go over here one more time. Then I'm gonna go to the mud hole. I just wanna wheelie it one more time because it's just fun as freak. God, I miss this. Y'all don't understand how long it's been since I've drove a four-wheeler and just a little bit of water. I know this ain't deep or nothing crazy, but still. Alright, I gotta go get my phone. I can't forget it. Well, that thing's about to run away from me. These definitely sling more water and mud than the Outlaw 3s did, just because they stand wider. Even though they're both 9 wides, I just have SRA wheels in the back, so it's like space is kind of... Still no water over there, that's kind of bad. That's kind of sad. It looks better than it did. There might be some mud in it now. Yeah, it's definitely more mud. there's a little bit more wood in there.